Once more I have to confess that I'm a big idiot. Hello everybody and welcome to day 80 of my Jaguar S-Type restoration project. I haven't yet been able to pick up another new needle bearing I will use for completing the transmission rebuild, but luckily there's still lots of other things to do on this car. Today I will take down the hood, or at least try doing so. This should help the ongoing of the project for many reasons. First, there's a rusty spot here at the front which I don't want to attempt overhead. Furthermore, having the hood out of the way should help the upcoming painting work here inside the engine bay. And also replacing the cracked windshield should be much easier from a centered position with the hood removed. I will first try to wrap this 7.5 meter rope around the hood, just as I would do it with a gift box. Both ends should be around the same length. I have the fuse box here in the way. A little bit more protection on the sides. The key question will be if that's the center of gravity. I hope so. The hood doesn't need a paint job now and I don't want this to change. I will now try to unbolt the hinges. That's 2 times 13mm hex. I don't know yet where this hood will go once it's fully detached. So let's protect this whole area from scratches. Same procedure on driver's side. One bolt is out. Number 2 as well. Number 3. No ratchet required here, so there's no tension in any direction on this bolt, and actually the hood is floating. Oh no, there's a wire connection. So let's take down the inner cover. I hope there's a plug hidden somewhere behind. Just ordinary Phillips screws, but for some reason they don't want to come out. That's how those rivets look like. Maybe I'm again successful with my favorite special tool. Yes, I am. I try to save the cover as well as the rivets. One side underneath the rope. I have no idea where this cable is going. The cable exits around 30 centimeters further inside, but there is no plug which could be released. So I better try my luck here on the other end. I figured out that this rubber part just slides out. Once more I have to confess that I'm a big idiot. This cable turns 180 degrees. It follows the wheel well right beside the main harness to the front and guess where it ends? At the water reservoir, because actually it's a hose and distributes fluid to the windshield washers. It may be the best to detach the hose right here. And then a few brackets must be opened here inside the wheel well. Number 1, 2 and the final one. Furthermore, I have to release a metal bracket inside here. One more bracket. Yeah, and here it goes. Voila. So let's now disconnect the gas struts from the hood. This only requires a flathead screwdriver. One bracket must be pried out on either side. Number 1. Now the remaining one on driver's side. As always, little space is a big problem. Just recognized that I missed out on the last rivet here on the driver's side. And of course the last one is broken. And everything looks fine here, except the rusty spot mentioned at the beginning, of course. And yeah, here's the hose leading to the two windshield washers. That's it already for today. If you enjoyed the video, you may want to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, or even better, watch more of my content. See you back on my channel next week. Goodbye.